What's up, divas? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another Ipsy package for you. Can't wait to see what's in this for December. And Diva Doll is back with me again so that we can do our review of our Ipsy bag subscription. Okay, now for those of you who are new, I'm Simply Carrie and this is Diva Doll, and we are going to do our Ipsy bag review for December. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, Diva, Diva.
You want this?
I like this bag.
You to keep it.
It's all nice and, ooh.
You can keep it.
I can keep this one?
Yeah.
Thank you. I like this
there's
one.
something
I
in.
normally am not like super excited about the bags, but this time I am. Okay, I like this bag, and this feels like December for me. This feels like December. It's all like furry and cozy. It feels like a lamb or a sheep or something like that, but I like it. So here, go ahead and unzip it. Yeah, go ahead and unzip it. This first product, it is called Sugar, okay, and it is a matte, it says matte as hell crayon lipstick. So this is lipstick, it's 07 Viola. So this is what it looks outside of the package.
I want to open it.
All right, so yeah, Diva, you can go ahead and open it. Do you want to put it on your lips? Go ahead, do your lips. Here, you can look at the mirror while you do it. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and oh, it's kind of stick. Is it sticky? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like that color?
Yeah.
Looks like a sort of a mauve color. Okay, so show everyone what your lips look like. Oh, it has a little bit of a, I don't know, it goes on like a crayon, it looks like. Okay. Rub your lips together. You might need a little moisturizer with that lipstick. Okay, so what do you think? Do you like it?
I think that
Where's the cap?
I think you would keep it.
I would like this better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I do like the lip color on you. All right. Now, if you notice, it has a little bit of, I don't know, like crayon residue or something like that. It doesn't go on, it doesn't look like it goes on smoothly, but the color is pretty nice. Okay, MURAD is Environmental Shield, Essential C Cleanser. You know, I actually could use a cleanser right about now. I would like to try a new cleanser. So,
I want to use it.
Okay, well, no, that's a cleanser. That's something that we're gonna have to put on our skin when we get ready to wash our face, okay? All right, MURAD Essential C Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample. Full-size version of this product would be $40. So this would be a $40 product here.
That's nice.
Okay, the full size. Are you having a little trouble today? We having a little issue? Okay, so what is this one? This is LXMI Nilotica Goddess Glow. This is a hydrating illuminator. Hydrating illuminator? Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna try to go through this as quickly as possible because Diva is bouncing off the walls right now. I don't know, did you have sugar today? Did you have, were you, oh, you ate the gingerbread cookie? You actually ate the cookie? So the cookies got you bouncing off the walls? Okay, wait, don't disappear. So this is the Nilotica Goddess Glow. This is a hydrating illuminator. It looks like I've lost my co-host. I've lost my co-host. She's back. She's back. Okay, Skin Illuminating Moisturizer. The full size would be $42. So this is a sample. This is a deluxe sample size. Okay, the next one is called Confidence in a Cream. Confidence in a Cream. The full-size version of this would be $49. Okay, let's open this up and see what it looks like, what it smells like.
I want to smell it.
Yeah, this smells nice. What do you think it smells like?
I think you would keep it.
I think I would like this. Look at the inside of it. This looks nice. I think I like this.
You would keep it.
Okay, so this is anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate. Whoa.
I think I want
Okay, transforming moisturizing super cream. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little here. It goes on creamy.
And
It
it
sort of
goes
has
on
a
your face.
thick creaminess to
It
it,
does in my face too.
but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be too heavy. This really looks like something that's promising that I would like, so I think I definitely will try this.
I want this.
Okay, so this one retails for $49, the full size. This is a deluxe sample. This is a primer. This is what it looks like right here, the Pro Primer. All right, from Benefit. And that's obviously a sample, but it retails for $32.
Grandma, I can put this on.
But okay, that's fine. You put a little tiny bit on your face. Okay, so let's. Okay, so go ahead. Yeah, you do. So we want a little primer. Just put it there, and this is something that you put on underneath your foundation. This is something you put on underneath your foundation so that your foundation looks nice and stays on, you know, well throughout for hours basically. The full size would actually be $32. I feel like my hair is all over the place. That's pretty much it. Why am I feeling left empty? Why do I feel so empty? Let me give you my thoughts on everything. After opening everything, I feel empty. I really do. I feel like it's December, it's Christmas time. There should be a big bang or something in this bag, and I'm not feeling the bang in the bag. I'm not feeling it, but for what I pay for it, I guess maybe I should feel like a boom. Not even. Okay. All right. So the one thing that I was the most excited about was the bag. I really do.
I'm most excited about this.
You're really excited about that?
Yeah. And this.
Okay. My glasses are falling off. Everything's falling off. Okay. So the most excited I've gotten so far was about this bag. I really do like this bag. Thank you so much. Now I can put some things in this. I think I'll put some of my Maybelline in it, actually. Okay, actually my Maybelline will not fit in that, so that I'll have to come up with something else. So this, as you can see, when Diva put it on, it had the crackly, it left like a residue on it. It looks like a crayon just going on your lips. I mean, it's okay, but I think it'll just leave your lips looking dry and cakey. This illuminator, I'm open to trying it. I've never heard of the company before, but I am open to trying it. I don't know what to expect from it. But that's one of the things that I do like about Ipsy is I get to experiment with different brands. This I think was really good. So this is another one. I would put this in with the bag. As far as excitement is concerned, I do think that this is an anti-aging cream, and I would like to try it. So this is definitely something that I would probably get some good use out of. I do want a cleanser. I would like to try another cleanser. This cleanser has vitamin C in it, so I think that this would definitely be great. Let's see, what was the other product in here? Oh, this thing. What is this? This thing from Benefit. Okay, so it's a primer from Benefit. I'm open to trying it, but I'm gonna put it over here with the other two products in terms of excitement about it. I'm not that major excited about it. Okay, so overall, what do I feel about the bag? I think I just said it. I felt empty. Okay, it's December and I was really looking for something more than what I got. But I am happy for it. I got 2 products that I definitely will be using, and I got a bag that I do like. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep Ipsy only because I do like exploring the different types of products that they send out so that I can see what I like and what I dislike. And yeah, empty is the word for this month, okay? So, oh, one other thing, what is their theme? Okay, for me it was empty. Okay, home for the holidays, so that's the theme. The theme is home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Okay, rock those festive playlists, don a red lipstick, indulge in what you love. With who you love, it's what the holidays are all about. Okay, and on that note, let me just say, because of coronavirus, guys, this year you might want to celebrate your Christmas with just you. I will see you guys in the next video. Are you gonna say bye?
Peace.
Okay, peace, peace. All right. All right, guys. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And have a great holiday break. Bye.